Hi, I want to talk to you about Irish curls and a solution that I have found in an unusual place. This is NUXE Huile Prodigieuse. Now, this is from Paris. It's a beautiful French product that I found that I love for a number of things. But I have Irish curls and so many things don't work. But I found this product because I love this brand, and this was a surprise byproduct for me that it actually worked on my hair. It's great for face, skin, and hair, but it is a difference maker for me in that one category. Now, I have a couple of different scents and types of their products. This is a beautiful luxury French oil that works in several ways. It is great on your skin, it's great on your face, and it's great on your hair. Now, it comes in a spray and it has a scent to it. So it is a perfumed oil that works in a number of ways. But what I'm going to show you right now, this is Irish curls, crazy curls that are different on top than the bottom, underneath, and on top. The canopy layer is different, but this magic oil does the number for me. It takes out the frizz and it makes them cohesive, put together, and polished. Now look at the difference and the way that frizz is now a thing of the past. And my curls are beautiful, controlled, and not just like a wild nest. They are polished, beautiful, classic, and my natural style. So I don't have to apply heat to them. I simply add this beautiful product that I would put on my skin and face anyway to my hair as a nutrient moisturizing oil. Now it comes in a bunch of different scents. This is the one that I have in my hair today. Now it comes with shimmer tones and just the pure oil. This oil is made for dry skin. It's perfect on your elbows, on your dry patches, on your legs, on your heels, on your arms. Let me show you how it looks on my arms today. I love a good overall product. But this is the magic glow that everyone's going to say, what is it about you? What is that glow? And you can honestly see that my skin glows. It gives it an even skin tone. And in my case, it covers up imperfections and dry patches. But I use it so often that my skin is not dry because I use this great product. This was provided for my honest opinion, and I love it. If you have Irish curls like me, this is a difference maker. I highly recommend it.